Hi everyone. So in this video, we are going to discuss how the applications created in our genqe environment got stored in our database, and then we're going to create two APIs, or I'm going to say we're going to create one API with two endpoints, where the first endpoint will fetch all the application created in our genqe environment today, in today's date, and the second endpoint will fetch all the applications created by a specific user in our genqe environment. And so in the first task where we are comparing the fields of our GenQuery platform and how the data in these fields are going to stored in our database. So we need to also make a comparison of them. So here is my comparison, uh, not here. Yes. So this is my comparison. Like in our GenQuery environment, we provide application name and it is stored in the form of project name here. Application code as project code. Descriptions remain the same. Application lead becomes project lead, remains domain, status status, app URL. And we can see that I have also mentioned the data which we appearing. So we can match the data and you can see that it looks exactly similar. So here application lead is Pratik. So here in the database it is project lead. So maybe it is the user ID of this user Pratik. And similarly here, team and here is the similar ID. So I assume that it is my object ID. And let's quickly jump on to the code. So I have written code for database connectivity in database.py. .env I'm not going to open, but it stores Mongo URI and database name, nothing else. So here is main.py. In this file, I have written two routes and a stringify, like and a function to convert all the object ID into string ID, so we don't face any issue while working with object IDs. And models.py is not required in this case because both the routes we are working with is going to fetch data. Models are specifically required when we try to uh, post, update data. So that's why in this case I'm not using models, so I'm not going to discuss more about it, but I have already created it. So for future use case, I have already created one. So let's, and you can see that application is up and running, and I have also tested it, but I'm going to show you that it's working fine for me. And here I am on my Postman and going to use my route. So here's I am hitting my endpoint to fetch application created by a particular user. So I, that's how I have written my routes. So it will be projects and question mark, and this is argument being passed that member name will be Pratik, and I'm going to send this data now, and it's a GET request. So yes, so we can see that these are the applications created by the user Pratik. So yeah, to so it's created by me, Pratik. We can see here and test. I hope I can show you these applications in GenQuery environment also. But at this time, GenQuery is not working for me. Maybe some production issue. So yes, and then you can see that created on 2nd of March 2025, which is on today's date. And then next, it will be another application, which is also created by Pratik, and it is created on 10th of April 2025. And then it's another application by the name of FunTube, which is also created by Pratik, and it is created on 8th of April 2025. So you can see that it is sorted in the decreasing order, and there are on total three applications created by Pratik. And also now I'm going to fetch all the applications created in today's date by our team on genqe platform. So this will be good. So yes, we able to fetch all the application created in today's date. So this application is created by Varsha and on 2nd of May 2025 at this time. And then this application is also created by Varsha at this time. And you can see it is sorted. So it is created by Varsha at 24:59 and it's 27:17. So it is sorted by time also. And then scrolling down, so we have another application created by Sathi Raju at this time, 7:46, and another application by Sathi Raju, 7:44. So even with the time difference of 2 minutes, it is sorting the applications. Then there is an application created by me, which is user Pratik. Then at it is also sorted on today's date. So we can see we have only five applications created today. And I am also able to verify these things here. So one, two, three, four, five. So I'm in my browser. So we can see that here are five applications created today. And let's also test another endpoint in browser. So we see that in Postman there is total three applications created by the user Pratik. And yeah, we got three applications here also. So that's our task for today. Thank you so much.